This is how you make Heirloom Red Corn Grits. We grow this corn at our farm. This is an heirloom variety called John Haulk. Let's get started. So once these are dried, we grind this with a stone grinder. We keep them so they're not too fine, so they have a really nice texture to them. We start with 2 cups of water, 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of milk. Then I'm gonna whisk in 2 cups of the grits. Once these grits have come up to a boil, we're gonna reduce it to a nice simmer. You gotta stir them as often as you can, 2.5 hours, so they're nice and creamy, but you want them still to have a nice tooth texture to them. So to finish your cooked grits, I like to mount in about 2 ounces of butter, because any grits without butter is just sinful. I do like to add it in at the end, wise tales so to speak, but it's how my grandmother taught me to do it. Now you just finish with a little bit of salt to taste. I like Diamond Crystal kosher salt. Should be a really nice creamy texture, not too tight. Your whisk should still roll through it pretty well. The corn is really shining, coming through, just beautiful. So at the restaurant, we like to serve our John Haulk Heirloom Red Corn Grits with our signature dish, which is a take on shrimp and grits. This is the Carolina shrimp with the Lady Edison ham. And we have our poached egg for the center. It's almost like an emulsified sauce. And it really adds to the chicken jus or the ham sauce that I'm about to pour over it, making it a little bit thicker. So I just like to spoon some of the smoked chicken jus around the outside. Finish with a little extra chives. We add a little bit of fresh watercress. Nice crisp freshness to a heavier dish like a shrimp and grits. Enjoy.